I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Anushka. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So for today's video, I mentioned in my last video that we were going to be doing something kind of trendy. So today I actually let my friends design me like minimalist cakes to make. And so we're just going to try and make them today. And this video is inspired by Lakey. I'm not really sure how to pronounce her last name, but I'm going to link her video in the description if you want to check that out. And all the other people on TikTok who also have done this. So inspiration from there. But that's basically what we're going to be doing, and yeah, pretty excited. So before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all the social media and everything. And without further ado, let's just without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so for today, let's just get started. So I let two of my friends kind of sketch me designs for what they wanted on their cakes, and both of these friends are very artistic, so I'm like scared because I'm not, but like, you know what, it's fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and try it. So I'm gonna show you guys pictures of both of the sketches that you kind of know what I'm going after. I know for like the mushroom one, I don't have like that chocolate that she wants, like the shaved chocolate and stuff like that, but that's okay. We'll work around it and we'll do something else. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I have my cakes and icing already baked and made, because that's not really the interesting part, you know. So I'm just gonna start, I think, by crumb coating and final coating both of the cakes, just so that we have a base, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about what we're gonna do after that. I'm literally scared, like, not sponsored, Honey Bunches. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get started by just crumb coating the first cake, and I'm also using Live for Cakes white cake recipe. I'll throw that in the description, as well as Georgia's Cakes Swiss meringue buttercream. So gorgeous. I also crumb coated and final coated both of the cakes, so what you see me doing is basically just what I did for both of the cakes, and one of them is white and one of them is light pink. So yeah, super cute, and let's get on to decorating soon. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I crumb coated and final coated both of the cakes, so now it is time to start with the decorating. So I'm going to start with the Minnie and Mickey Mouse cake. So I'm going to cut out like little circles for like the heads out of gum paste. I'll put the sketch up again so that you can see again what it's all about. And then I'm going to go ahead and like put them on the cake, and then I'm gonna have to do like hearts and things like that. So honestly, I'm not really sure what I'm doing because I've never done something like this before, but you know, that's what I say every time I make a cake, and somehow usually most of the time, like 90 or like 88% of the time, it turns out to be okay. So let's just hope that this is not in the other 12%, and if it's not, then we're good. And I'm really sorry my hand is shaking so much. I'm just like, oh my god. Okay, so let's go do it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so first I started out with the gum paste. I'm sorry my hands are just looking like so ugly right now. It just, you know, food coloring is such an issue. So I cut them out using like a 2-inch round circle and then also a little mini ice cream scoop. So then I just glued all of that stuff on with some buttercream, and I also made some bows for Minnie and Mickey Mouse too. So cute. And the next thing you're gonna see me doing is actually just making hearts on the cake with a small round tip. So you can see you just put pressure and just kind of like drag it down and then drag it back up. You'll kind of see what I'm doing. And then I just dusted everything with silver dust to make it super nice and shiny and like pearly. And yeah, hope you guys like this cake. I thought it was so adorable. So yeah, first one is done. Okay, you guys, so I just finished with the Minnie and Mickey Mouse cake, and I actually am so happy with how it turned out. Like, I think it actually is like cute, so I'm gonna insert pictures of it, and I really like it actually. I think it just like looks nice and looks somewhat like the sketch. So anyway, I feel like that one was pretty like simple, just because there weren't that many components to it, you could say. Like as soon as I cut out the gum paste and did stuff like that, and I made a little bow and everything too, as soon as I did that, then I just stuck them on the cake and made some hearts. So it was pretty simple, but that's what I love about it. So that was number one, and it's done, and I'm so happy, and it's adorable. So yeah, let's move on to number two. For number two, I'm thinking that, so we have to make the mushrooms and like the daisies and stuff. So I think, I don't really know where to start with this one. If I'm being honest. Where do I start? Like, I don't really know. I'm just gonna go. So I'm just gonna do like all the little decorations, like the mushrooms and the daisies and all of that, and add some little flowers. Again, I don't have the little chocolate thing, but I think that's fine. Like, I think it'll still look good without it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go for it with the pearl border and like everything, and I'll pop in between to like check in, see how it's going. But yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so for this one, first you can see the little magenta heart on top. I just kind of drew it with some buttercream, and then I'm doing the mushrooms with the Wilton 1M tip, and I'm kind of making the stems first, and then also with the Wilton 1M tip, I'm kind of just making like a red blob kind of for like the top of the mushroom. I don't know, I just thought it was like such a cute way to make mushrooms. I don't know what I was like thinking, but anyway, yeah, and then I just started making a pearl border. So yeah, that's the first half of this decorating. Okay guys, so I'm halfway through the cake at this point, and it's actually looking like, don't mean to toot my own horn or anything, but I mean, it looks pretty nice. Like, it's looking pretty how I expected it to look, so I'm very excited about it. And these are minimalist cakes, which is why I love them so much, because like I really don't make minimalist cakes that often, but I want to because they're so fun. Oh my god, my mic is falling off. They're so fun to do, but anyway, so I'm going to finish up with this mushroom cake. I mean, the flower cake, you know what? Whatever it's called. Finish up with that, and I'll put pictures in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what I'm doing first is I actually made stems with some light green buttercream, and I put that on with a small round tip. Then again with another small round tip, I'm going through and making these little daisies. So it's kind of like how I made the hearts, but you just like kind of keep going so that there's 5 little points instead of just 2. So it's pretty simple technique, but I think it looks so adorable, and I actually really like how it turned out. So the daisies were supposed to be in between the mushrooms and also on top. And then I went through and I put the little yellow circles inside of the daisies. So cute. And yeah, here's how this cake turned out. I actually really liked it, especially with like the light pink and then the daisies and like the little stitched heart on top. I thought it was such a cute design. And even though I didn't have the little shaved chocolate, I still think it turned out so cute. So yeah. Okay guys, I just finished up with the cake and it's so cute. I'm gonna put in pictures. I really like it, and I think that it just turned out like really how I wanted it to, so I'm very excited about that. And also update, I took pictures of everything and I'm actually done with all the baking. So that basically concludes today's video, you guys, and I'm gonna go drop off the cakes at my friend's house later, so they get to keep them and eat them and everything. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my TikToks. I'm making TikToks about this whole thing and post on Instagram and all of that stuff. So go follow me there, subscribe here, and hit that bell. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was so fun to film, and I hope to see you guys next week for another super fun video. So stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And have the best day. Bye.